The power of 1 minute. Do you like taking breaks? Are you one of those who likes to set apart from daily routine every now and then? Whenever you work continuously and suddenly you take a break of 5-10 minutes, it feels so relaxing, right? A break of 5-10 minutes, which is nothing on a normal day, but on a busy day, it is very important to us. Likewise, a break from hustle and bustle of work life, a break from daily routine, a break from something that is consuming us is very divine and blissful. But what if the same pleasure and blissful can be experienced daily? What if you can get rid of all your negativity and pain? Also, you may have encountered this problem that you decided to do something good, something different in the morning, but during the course of the day, you lose track of it. And when suddenly remembered about it, all your day is gone and you do self-blaming and self-criticism. This happens when you decide to inculcate a good habit, a good routine, when you decide to get out of your comfort zone, or when you decide to get rid of a bad habit. This habit of procrastination, not defining priorities to tasks with awareness, not being firm on your decision to become a better version of yourself, can be overcome by the power of 1 minute. It will do miracles for you and help you get rid of all negative thinking, bad habits, or any kind of toxicity in and around you. So, what is the power of 1 minute? The power of 1 minute is a simple habit when you set an alarm or reminder that triggers every hour. When the alarm or reminder rings, just stop whatever you are doing and repeat a phrase. This phrase can be something that you prepare daily or only once at the start of the habit. It can be as generalized as you want or as specific to your desires as you want. Some examples of the phrases are: I am a powerful and peaceful soul. I take responsibilities for all my thoughts and actions. No one but only I control my own thoughts and actions and thus have power over them. I am a powerful soul and I can do anything. I will get rid of smoking as I have control over it. I am not going to lose or fail to a bad habit. I am a peaceful soul and I decided not to get angry with my full conscious and awareness. I decide to remain peaceful and let go all the hurt. I am a peaceful soul and I treat everyone with respect and dignity. As I treat them, they too treat me the same way. I am good with all and all are good with me. I will suggest you include the statement I am a powerful and peaceful soul in your own phrase and add further your desired action in the phrase. Phrases like this will help you to be accountable and aware of what you decided to do and achieve. This will remain as a continuous reminder and will keep you away from procrastination and finding excuses. When the alarm or reminder triggers, just repeat this phrase for 1 minute and return back to your work or task that you were doing. When you will practice this habit, you will notice that you start working towards the fulfillment of your phrase. When you repeat this phrase over and over again, your subconsciousness brain starts to accept it and start to respond to it by trying to bring it into reality through your own thoughts and action. Also, this acts as a break for you from the task or work that you were doing, and thus when you return back to continue the same work or task after the 1 minute break, you perform with more energy and enthusiasm. This helps in keeping you aware of your decided goals and keeps you away from distraction. This will take a minute from an hour of your life but will add 59 minutes of liveliness, awareness and consciousness to an hour of your life. The choice is all yours, and if you choose to practice this habit, then all the benefits are yours. Let me know your experience after practicing this habit in the comment section. I will be glad to hear from you. If you find the video interesting, do like it, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. Thank you for watching.